Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay Thursday, July 18, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Thursday, July 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong July 18, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, July 18, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 9.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 157 million pesos for July 18, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of Thursday, July 18, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.